Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Euro with Anne, Filipino traders. So as promised, I wanted to do a video or quick update about Solana. So one of my favorite coins, and thought ka na rin kasi at that by the way, last bear cycle it was trading at $7, and I felt like medyo mataas pa yan. Meron pang siyang ibababa. And hindi na siya mababa. Nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. Now it's at $143.42. So, guys, let's now go to Solana. Let's see kung ano yung ganap sa kanya. If we're going to look at the 1 week time frame, what is it forming? So this is forming a for me lang naman, again guys, disclosure, I'm not a professional trader. I just enjoy, you know, charting, trading too, ng crypto coins. So, kaya every time mag-chart ako or magpa-plot ako, it excites me talaga. So, ano yung nakikita ko with Solana right now? So, I think we can say that this is a bullish double bottom. It's forming W, diba? Hindi siya, I can say this is a bullish inverse head and shoulder. So, yeah. And also, if we're going to look at it, ano siya, we can also say symmetrical triangle. Diba? Though malayo pa siya sa dulo, but it could form. No? Ano yung susunod na resistance natin to? Uh, so, I can say, para may reference lang tayo, in the future, around 200 area. So, this is, I think, a major resistance. Major resistance. It could go a little bit higher. Dito sa diagonal line na to, around, we can say 200 to 218, or let's say 220, uh, $220. And so, yun nga, I really like yung basic tools na ginagamit ko, or tools pa yung tawag dito, EMA 15, EMA 200. So, as you can see, tumama talaga yung nag-pullback siya sa area nung EMA 200 natin, which is at 100 and I think nagkumabot to ng 110 eh. But let's see. Yeah, $117. So, are we going to break the EMA 200 anytime soon? Ang take ko kay Solana, it's really bullish. And if we're going to look at the stochastic RSI, nasa baba siya. Same thing with RSI and yung MACD rin natin. Okay, so those are my indicators pala. Indicators na ginagamit. Very basic lang guys. And ito rin yung ginamit ko sa last analysis ko. Wow analysis. Last November 17, where I mentioned to my partner that BTC will go as low as 80K. I am not sure how to do a screenshot, or if I can, just show you a screenshot in the comment section. But if not, maybe in our, I mean, next videos, yun yung ipapakita ko sa inyo. So yun. So the resistance again, it might go to 200 to $220, and then we might do another testing if we're gonna do that, $120. Okay. But kung titingnan natin sa stochastic RSI, pataas talaga siya. Ang tanong dyan, ano yung i-break niya na resistance? We can also say na is a mid-band is $160. So, we might retest. We might. Kung talagang ito yung tinatawag natin na bullish double bottom. Yung $295. Future prediction ko with Solana, it could go as $1,000. Kailan siya mangyari? I'm not sure about that. But, kung titingnan natin fundamentals ng Solana, medyo maganda talaga siya. Ang daming nangyari sa kanila. So, ito yung coins na marami ding parishioners. I can say parishioners or followers din. So, yeah, maraming holders din ng Solana. So, yun lang. Yun lang guys yung quick update ko. What's the resistance? Ano yung resistance natin with Solana? Yung support, major support. And kung anong pattern yung nakikita ko sa kanya. So, for me, this is a good sign for Solana. Okay. Based dun sa indicators na nakikita natin. We might have a rally. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day.